on the 27th of April 2025. Yeah, Bäckbornas 27. It's another DEVE-Schindler built in the autumn of 1991, finished in 1992 with 4 floors. There's in SK 54760. Also in Beckomberga, Stockholm Sweden. The site right here. Capacity 8 persons, so 630 grams. And out of these, we should have only numbers 17, 19, 23, 33, and 35 left. So five left here.
Yeah. Is did by Kivaiskutat maintained by Schindler?
Yeah, if you said our lines just left.
Yeah.
That's it. Thank you very much.
That's